It is an ensemble learning method that combines multiple decision trees, each trained on a random subset of the features and a random subset of the training data. Here's how the algorithm works. Randomly select a subset of features from the dataset. Randomly select a subset of data points from the dataset. Build a decision tree using the selected features and data points. Repeat steps 1 to 3 to create a forest of decision trees. To make a prediction for a new data point, pass it through each decision tree in the forest and take the majority vote of the output. RandomForest has several advantages over single decision trees. First, it reduces the risk of overfitting by combining multiple models. Second, it can handle large datasets with high dimensional features. Third, it provides an estimate of feature importance, which can help identify the most informative features in the dataset. RandomForest has been applied to a wide range of problems, including image classification, text classification, and medical diagnosis. It is a popular choice for machine learning practitioners due to its robustness, scalability, and ease of use. For more knowledge, like, share, and subscribe. AS Machine Learning Hub.